It's Dr. Joseph, and I know you've been waiting for me to get on video to do one of these. We're here at Fidelis CrossFit with my good friend Grace, one of the co-owners. Grace, do you want to introduce yourself?
I'm Grace. We've been open for about 6 years here. We love Dr. Joseph. He comes and helps our athletes all the time. So welcome, Dr. Joseph.
Thank you. And what we're going to do today is show you how to prep for your 18.4 CrossFit Open workout. The first exercise for the 18.4 workout is going to be the dead bug. Now this is going to help you with your deadlifts so you avoid hurting your back. What we're going to do, Grace is lying on the floor, you take a medicine ball, you're going to hold it just above your head, squeeze your stomach as hard as you can, and then bring your knees up to your waist. Keeping the ball above the head, knees pointed to the sky. She's going to lower one leg to the floor and then come on up and then alternating legs. It's important the whole time keeping your stomach squeezed and don't let those knees drift over the hips too much. Now that we've gotten your core activated, what we're going to do is work on the shoulders for the handstand push-ups and handstand walks. So Grace here is going to go with that left arm, external rotations, and then bringing the arm across the body. Now keeping the elbow pinned with the external rotations is very important. And after you do about 5 of those, you're going to keep arms straight, coming across the body. Squeezing the mid to low shoulder blade whenever you do this one. Now that we've worked the external rotators, we're going to work the internal rotators. So, same idea, elbow pin to the body. She's going to come across the body 5 times, moving with some speed just to get some blood going. After you do that, arms straight, bringing it across the body. Essentially the opposite of what we did to the other side. The last part of the shoulder series is going to be bringing the arm across the body, working more of the posterior muscles. So, facing where the resistance is coming from, she's going to come across the body. Again, you can move with speed with this, just getting some blood flow to the area. The last exercise that I want to show you is what we call a 3-way ankle mobility. Now, we're working your ankles because when you do your deadlifts, the more flexible your ankles are, the less you use your back and the more you use your quads and your glutes. So what we're going to do is Grace is going to place her foot about a foot away from the wall. You can use a pole, you can use a wall, and what she's going to do is drive her knee into the pole. Now you want to have your foot just far away to where your knee can barely tap the pole. So for her, I'd like to scoot her foot back a little more. And one of the key points here is be sure your heel doesn't leave the floor. So once you find that perfect spot, you drive your knee to the one side of the pole and to the other side. And that's why we call it a 3-way ankle mobility. You do about 4 to 5 sets for each foot. Thank you for making it this far in the video. Now I hope you got a lot out of this, and special thanks to Grace at Fidelis CrossFit for letting us use their amazing facility.
You can check us out on Facebook or Instagram at Fidelis CrossFit.
Happy training, everyone.